Hey there everybody, and welcome to another one of my videos. Have you ever had a song that you just loved and you wished you could take the words out so that you could use it as a karaoke or as an instrumental? I'm going to show you something today that will help you totally free to get rid of those vocals. If you and I are meeting for the first time, my name is Bob Cheslinski and I'm a band director. And I make YouTube videos to teach and entertain you about all things music. Let's get right into this video today so I can show you how to get rid of the vocals. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go into Google and we're going to type in vocal remover. And right at the top of the page, you're going to see vocalremover.org. This is the place that we're going to go. It's going to bring us up to the website, and all we have to do is in the middle of the page, it says Browse My Files. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to open up my folder that has all of my music on it that I'm going to show you here today. So let's go and let's take something that's kind of popular here. Let's take Dua Lipa's Levitating. So now I'm going to play this song the regular way so you can hear that the words are there.
If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I could take you for a ride.
Now let's go over to the vocal remover. We've already clicked on our song. I'm going to open it. And it's going to take it and it's going to analyze it and it's going to separate the tracks, the vocal and the instrumental. It only takes a few seconds. And here is the vocal track separated from the background track. And I'm going to click play and check this out. And the really cool thing also is, let's say you wanted to practice along with it. Well, there's a slider here for the vocals that I can slide that up and I can put the vocals back in if I need it. Or I can make the vocals just a little bit softer. Well, you may be thinking, well, it only works on certain songs. So I'm going to go back and open up my songs here. I'm going to go in and I'm going to take a musical. This is my shot from Hamilton. And I'm going to open this up. Once again, it just takes seconds. All right. And here's my shot from a Broadway musical. So I can go in, I can take those vocals out or put them back if I need it. Let's try another one. So let's go in and let's take something from a kid's movie. So here's Hakuna Matata from The Lion King. Let's open this one up. Let's check out the vocals and see if it removed the vocals on something like this.
For the rest of your days, it's our problem-free philosophy.
There you go. There's your tip for this week. Go to vocalremover.org. You can take any of your music and get rid of the vocals. To learn more about music-related content, make sure you click on one of the videos on your screen. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you did, it really helps if you hit the like button, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button. That way, you'll be sure to get all of my future content. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.